has just a great sound on keyboard. And so for me, that's just got to be part of the show, and you got to try to nail these sounds. The other sound I really loved was in Miami 2017, when he's towards the end of the song, where he's going. It's just a great sound, and it just needed to be part of the song. So, if you're going to do a Billy Joel tribute band, you better have these sounds nailed. Another sound that I really loved, of course, this was Billy Joel collaborating. He's collaborated with some incredible musicians, but this was with one of the all-time greatest harmonica players, Toots Steelman. And the sound was just, amazing. And that Billy Joel and his producers actually thought of putting this sound into the record, I thought was incredible. It's just a great sound. And then towards the end, where he's doing all that solo. Yeah, it's just awesome. So I've chosen to duplicate that on a keyboard. But I really love the sound of that, and I think those types of sounds that Billy Joel has incorporated into his music has really made his portfolio of music, I think, that much more incredible. It's extremely creative, and it makes you want, it inspires you to want to play his music as a keyboard player. So I think it's brings that element of, yeah, I want to learn that, and I want to get that sound just like he had it. Try to really match that as close as I can.